I got myself a new toy, some Razor Turbo Jets. Now, I was a big admirer of Heeley shoes. Man, when I saw those things, people riding around with their shoes that had wheels, I thought they were cool. But I couldn't find them, and I never owned a pair. But I always admired them until I managed to find these electric Heelys, and I thought that was genius and amazing. So I got them. They were super cheap and surprisingly cheap. And I managed to get them. I put them on, and then I took them for a test run. And man, no wonder they were so cheap, because I tried, but I couldn't get those things to work. And eventually I scraped my knee, right? And yeah, they have been just sitting, collecting dust, because those things are dangerous. They don't even work properly. Like, one side has 3 wheels, the other side has 2. So hard to control. And even if you watch all the videos, some people say it's a skill issue, but the thing is just, I don't know. It's just, I think maybe it just doesn't have enough power, because I think that the Heelys themselves were actually scraping on the ground, and that friction was preventing it from rolling. So I think those Heelys are underpowered. And 2, basically the second leg is like a trailer leg. But the problem is that in order to get your leg to go behind it, you're always in an awkward position, which makes those things so uncomfortable to use. So I thought to myself, okay, let me turn these things into a useful project. And I thought, electric skateboard. It's just pure genius, because basically these Heelys, how they work is basically when pressure is applied, you push them and then the motor activates, meaning that I can have a skateboard that is portable. I don't need a remote, and all I have to do is just push it and it's working. So it's time to build this skateboard. As you can see, the electric skateboard is actually working. Now there's two options. It's either I increase the power or I get a lighter rider to test it, but it's actually working. And if it had more power, it would actually work like an electric skateboard. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.